Guys, today we are going to be looking at how to create pro graphics for free. Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at how to create pro graphics like that for free. In this video we'll talk about the app that you can use, we'll talk about how you can use the app, and at the end of the video we'll leave a bonus tip for you so that you can make pro tips and people will be wondering who did it for you, where did you do it, how much did you do it for. It's wow, it's great, it looks good. So we are going to be doing that for you.
Canva is the app, guys. So go to open Play Store in your phone, and then you have to search for Canva. When you get it, you either have to install it if it's not yet installed in your phone, and then with an email you can be able to register yourself to log in. Now when you've logged in, you have to you type on the search button for YouTube thumbnail, since that's what we are going to be using as an example today, YouTube thumbnail. So once you have a list of examples of sample templates that you can use like we see on our screen presently. So you have to search through and see what inspires you, what tells a story you want to give out, what design best speaks to you, and best like which of them is as professional as what you want. So you pick from the series, but you should note that some of the canvas or some of the templates are paid for. So if you want a template which is paid for or it's in the pro version, you will have to convert your account to a professional account, whereby you have to be paying a monthly fee. Now we have chosen our template, guys. So with this template we will have to restructure it and make it ours, but it does is it gives us a structure which is beautifully made and beautifully designed just for us to change the important informations and put the colors we want, the font types we want, the font sizes we want, and the images we want. And you can change this and make it whatever you want and be creative with it, guys. So here we are looking at what I'm doing. I'm struggling to change the title or to maybe the title of the blog or the video I'm going to be making on YouTube. So this video we are going to be okay, we want to make a thumbnail for how to design thumbnails or YouTube thumbnails. So now we are restructuring the data, that's the information we have on the template, to fit our needs. We are struggling to change the fonts and to see how they match to meet our company objectives, our blog or YouTube objectives, in terms of colors, in terms of images, in terms of font types, in terms of font sizes. So guys, you see I'm struggling to tweak and change the colors to test and see how good they look. So guys, just be as creative as you can to be able to change it and tweak it to whatever you feel comfortable with and you feel amazing. And another trick I've learned so far is, if you don't exercise doing this more often, you will be unable, guys. I'm telling you the truth, you will not be able to do professional designs, because it takes experience, it takes you doing the work, it takes you doing it over and over and over and over again to be able to produce amazing designs. And while you are doing many more designs, you'll be able to learn and you'll even be able to make designs faster. So guys, I think that our product or our thumbnail is getting there. So you see, we are trying to tweak things. We are adding images at the back. Here we added an image and we went to make it transparent so it doesn't block our write-ups in front. So you see from the back as if it is the background, and you see our written or the title of our thumbnail clean and clear. Okay guys, we are now done with our thumbnail, so we have to download this so we can be able to access it on our gallery, from our gallery, and there we can send it straight to YouTube. So you go to design, download the designs and Boom, your thumbnail is ready.
Don't forget, Greenlight Batty offers or digital marketing services such as visual assistance, social media management, web designing, and search engine optimization. Don't forget to patronize us if you find our videos interesting, and if you need any of these services, don't forget to let us know. We leave our contacts on our website in the description box so that you can reach us anytime and whenever you're prepared. We